Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing a beginner Paso Doble routine. We are going to break it up into two sections. We are going to first show you the steps, then do it with the counts, and then at the end do it with some music. Okay guys, let's do the first part. So we start with our feet together in the center of the floor. We are going to start with bent knees, and then we're going to go up onto our toes, but first we're going to bend the knees, then straighten the knees, and then up on the toes. And now we're going to march 8 marches starting with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Staying up on the toes all times. Now we're going to chasse to the right, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together. From here, we are going to appel and face the center of the floor. Appel with the right foot. We are going to walk with our left foot forward, walk with our right foot forward, and we're going to bring our feet together, chasse to the right, side, together, side, together, and then we're going to do a drag, stepping to the side, and then bringing our feet together. Okay, now the first part with the counts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now our second part. We just finished our drag. We put our left foot to our right foot and we're going to switch the weight. We're going to step back with the right foot, forward with our left foot, forward walk turning with our right foot, forward walk with our left foot, forward walk with our right foot, and feet together. We are going to do a chasse to the right, side, together. And then we are going to do another drag and feet together, a chasse to the right, and then we are going to do a chasse hesitation, chasse, and bring the left foot in, but do not put the weight on the left foot. From here, we're going to step forward with the left foot, back with the right foot, heel turn, forward with the right foot, forward with the left foot, feet together, chasse to the left, side, together. We are going to do a drag to the side, feet together, a chasse, and now a chasse hesitation and bringing our feet together, and this is where we start from the beginning. Okay, now the second part with the counts. We just finished the last drag, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our mini highlight, so it stops at 4. And we count back up again to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're gonna put our first and second part together with the counts, and then after we'll do it with music. So we start with our feet together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it easy, we will be posting an advanced and intermediate routine. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye. By the way, if you would like to support our channel, be sure to check out our official 375 merch. You can find it either linked below or on Teespring.